Today on the 4, new developments with the coronavirus and masks. Just 1 month after the state reopened, health officials here in the Bay Area recommend going back to wearing masks indoors, regardless of vaccination status.
From KTVU Fox 2 News, this is The 4.
Those recommendations come as cases of COVID-19 continue to climb, especially among the unvaccinated. Welcome to The 4. I'm Jana Katsuyama in for Heather Holmes.
And I'm Alex Savage. Health officials in 7 Bay Area counties are now recommending indoor masking. They include Alameda, Contra Costa, Marin, San Francisco, San Mateo, Santa Clara, and Sonoma counties. Napa and Solano counties did not join in this order. KTVU's Ann Rubin is joining us now live. And Ann, doctors say the Delta variant is behind all of this.
Yeah, that's right. And as a result, they're saying if you're going to the grocery store, the theater, really anywhere indoors, you should be wearing a mask. The idea is that it's going to offer an extra layer of protection for everyone.
Vaccinated or not, everyone should go back to wearing a mask indoors. That's the new recommendation from 8 Bay Area health officers.
As soon as we see signals that things are worsening, it's important to act quickly if we've got the evidence to do so.
And they say the evidence is mounting. In San Francisco, they've seen an 8-fold increase in COVID-19 cases in recent weeks. In Santa Clara County, numbers have tripled.
In our county public health lab, just in the last 2 weeks, about 43% of the cases we could sequence were that more transmissible Delta variant. And that worries us that we need this added layer of protection for everyone.
And so the counties of Alameda, Contra Costa, Marin, San Francisco, San Mateo, Santa Clara, Sonoma, and the city of Berkeley joined forces to put out the mask recommendation. And at this point, it is just a recommendation.
It is not a mandate, and we do recognize that we are asking people, to make a sacrifice.
They say masking will help protect the most vulnerable in the population. It will also buy officials more time to see whether a spike in cases will be followed by a spike in hospitalizations.
And it is very possible that they will not increase as we're worried they might. We're doing this out of an abundance of caution because to wait to act would not be the wise thing to do, and lives could be lost unnecessarily.
In Los Angeles County, they took a more drastic step this week, reinstating a mask mandate. But infectious disease experts say that might not be needed here, thanks to a much higher vaccination rate.
So when you think about the potential strain on hospital resources, it's much higher probability in Southern California than the North.
And so health officials will wait, hopeful the hospitals don't fill up, and hopeful that residents, even vaccinated ones, will wear their masks again. In Santa Clara County, Marissa Muniz says she will.
We just want to get back to our regular lives so bad. We just, forget how important it is to stay safe.
Health officials say that they will keep an eye on the numbers and then decide later whether the recommendation needs to become a mandate. In the meantime, that they are recommending that anyone who can get their vaccine. Alex?
Yeah, a good recommendation there. KTVU's Ann Rubin live for us. Thank you, Ann.